The Spellman x3210, also known as a CZE4PN 9X3210, is a custom 5-output power supply used in a semiconductor tool. This power supply came in with a dead output, and we did a complete rebuild of the entire unit. This video only shows the final green light, which indicates all 5 supplies are operational. But we verified operation of each output prior to the video with a meter, and this video represents a final test before we shipped it back to the Semiconductor Fab, where it originally came from. Performing work for Semiconductor Fabs requires a lot of repair of small custom items, which are very common within many of the systems in use. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.